Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria here on Highway 31. As you can see, you inquired about the 2017 Tucson, but you didn't state a particular package. I have quite a few on behind me here. As you can see, I've got the black, I got the Coliseum gray, I got the caravan blue. I also got it in the brown color over here. I got it in burgundy. They come in SC model. They come in what we call a night package. You can get them in a sport model. You can get them in a limit. They come standard with power windows, power door locks, tilt and cruise, keyless remote entry, or you can get the push buttons start. They also come with the backup camera. Now this is the end of the 17-year model, so I have a great sale, and I also have a great sale going on today because this is the very last day of the month for us, so we're hitting numbers, so this is a very important day for us. Now, you do get a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, but as you can see here on all the windows here, we doubled the powertrain warranty to 20 years, 200,000 miles, and no cost and no strings attached. We're totally different than other dealerships. You're not married to my service department. You also get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Now, David, give me a call here at Tameron at 205-380-6250 or hit me on my personal cell at 205-335-3988. Hey, give me a call. Let's set up a time for you to come in. Let's sit down and go over exactly what you're looking for, options and equipment. I guarantee you great price and a great service here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria here on Highway 31.